going on, everybody? Today we're doing something just a little bit different. We're out here collecting parts for a guy that contacted me, wanted some used parts that I had, so I told him I'd sell them to him. So he's working on an old Freightliner cabover. I don't know the year, I think it's 85, and I have an 88 cabover I bought for just parts. And so yeah, we got a power steering reservoir that we're selling to him off of this frame right here. So yeah, we're gonna pull that off. We got the gearbox on the cabover, and then there was some little mirror brackets on the mirrors and stuff that he wanted. So yeah, we're gonna get that stuff shipped to him so that he can get his project finished up. And so that's what we're doing today. Something a little bit different. It's gonna be a short video, but it's what we do here. We do a little bit of everything. We mostly customize stuff, but we sell a few parts. We buy some stuff to tear apart for used stuff for parts only. I like to have lots of parts on hand, and so we always have parts. It's kind of how I got into this. I always had parts, and everybody's like, you got this for me, you got that for me. I said, sure. So anyhow, now we try to do just custom stuff, but every now and again we still do this style of work. So yeah, we'll get set up here and we'll get this thing pulled off in just a few minutes and get that gearbox off and get it packaged up and shipped off. Okay, what we're doing with this truck is we're taking that steering box off the arm here and drag link because we sold it. So we gotta take this off, take the lines loose, and send it off. Okay, they obviously don't want you to pull that bolt out because you can't reach your hand in underneath. If you go up here, you can't get in up there. So we're gonna try going to the top here. We took the grill out. See if we can get a light. See it. Yeah, right there. Come on, focus. Down there. It's in such a hole, you can't focus on it. Okay. puzzle that we have to ship off. And we got to take these bolts out and that bolt out back there. Oh, focus. And you can't get a regular wrench in there. Come on. You can't get a socket on there. So, to fix that problem, you have to take and bend a wrench just like that. So you can get back here. Come on. So big. And you can turn it and you gotta go like that. What a deal. And a little bit of an eighth of a turn at a time or less, I don't know. There we go. Okay, we got it loose enough. Yeah, I got these come out easy by hand. And of course, this was like this, and it was turned into the top there. But once you got so many threads out, this hit right here, and you couldn't turn it anymore. So we had to cut it off. So yeah, I'm not sure how you're supposed to do this if you were not trying to just, if you're trying to just put it together. So we'll take this one out, and then we can slip the thing out. It's terrible windy out here, beautiful day, but it's just windy. So yeah, and then we'll get all the oil drained out of it and ship it off to Pennsylvania is where it's going. Goodness sakes. Put it over here. Man, I don't know what that guy was running in his power steering fluid. That is some dark oil for power steering fluid. Might be a good idea to change it every now and again. This came out of an old squeeze. And my brother he's putting a 60 series Detroit in, so that's why we're taking this off. Motor runs and everything. It's just an old 400 Cummins that are no fun to drive, so he took it out, put a 60 series in. So anyhow, we're gonna get this shipped off and see what size of bill we have.
$379 later.